What was the impact of Princess Diana upon the British monarchy? How the marriage between Diana Spencer and Prince Charles affected the British monarchy. When Diana and Charles got married, there were an estimated 600,000 people who filled the streets of London to try and see them on their wedding day. 3,500 people were invited into St. Paul's Cathedral to watch the ceremony, and it was said that another 750 million people worldwide watched the day on their televisions. It is obvious from the number of onlookers and viewers that this was a big event of history. The amount of press coverage that the newlyweds received was massive, and Diana used it to the advantage of herself, the monarchy, and the royal family. She did this by the amount of charity work that she did. She did a lot of work to highlight people living with AIDS, HIV, or other disadvantages, and she offered a visible helping hand to those in need. Diana and Charles also had two sons, Prince William and Prince Harry, now aged 27 and 24. Prince William is heir to the throne after his father. When these two were born, it brought a lot of extra attention into the royal family, and excitement for what Prince William would be like as a king. How the divorce between Diana, Princess of Wales, and Charles, Prince of Wales, affected the British monarchy. After the divorce of Diana and Charles, a lot of the press and public chose whose side to be on. Although there are plenty of people on Prince Charles's side, the majority of them were Team Diana and supported her, believing that she could do nothing wrong, as to them she was the Queen of Hearts. Diana was in the spotlight a lot more than Charles when they were married, because of the charity work that she did, and it meant that a lot of people felt that they had a bond or connection with Diana because of how she was with people. Diana was frequently snapped, hugging people and carrying little children, looking after them. A lot of people blamed Charles for the ruined marriage, as Diana had the public and press wrapped around her little finger. She was believed to be innocent, and she used the power that she had to create a negative view on the monarchy, dragging down its reputation, along with the royal family, and at the same time it was improving her own. Diana continued to work with her charities to make sure she stayed in the public eye. How the death of Diana, Princess of Wales, affected the British monarchy. Diana's death affected people worldwide, and billions of people were devastated by the news of her death on the 31st of August 1997. It's estimated that 2.5 billion people worldwide tuned in to watch her funeral on the 6th of September 1997. The series of events were devastating days for many people all over the world, as the French police tried to find out how Diana's car had crashed. The press was buzzing about news about her and remembering all the good times. Diana was the talking point of more or less everyone for quite a long period of time, and this would have improved the reputation of the monarchy if the Queen had responded how the public had expected her to. When the British public first found out about her death, the Queen refused to fly the flags at half-mast because Diana was apparently no longer part of the royal family, as she was divorced from Charles. This caused a lot of upset throughout England and many other countries, causing the reputation of the monarchy and the royal family to fall once again.